As you can maybe tell, it did snow today. A lot. So it snowed a lot today. If you couldn't already tell, it snowed a lot. Oh my god. I really did kind of want to go grocery shopping today, but the snow is so damn heavy that there was no chance that it was going to happen. So, whatever. Oh, I just realized I have a steak in the fridge and I really want it. But it's like midnight now, and so it's kind of too late to cook anything, but whatever. Whatever, man. I'm probably just going to get some soup. I'm gonna need it. Who cares? Anyways, this March break has been a pretty boring March break. I'd love to go and watch like a movie at the theater or something. There's nothing really good on right now or there's nothing really I want to see right now that's on I haven't already seen. Maybe tomorrow there'll be another shoveling vlog, you know, one of those vlogs where where we're outside getting rid of the snow and everything, because it did snow a lot. I don't really... I'm struggling to think of things to say. Anyways, hit the subscribe button so we can hit our 1,000 subscriber goal by the end of the year. Hit that like button, and stay classy.